Do you want to create a 3D AI profile photo for your social media account like this? Then let's see how it's done. So to create that 3D AI profile photo, you need to first go ahead and open up your Safari browser or your web browser. Here in Google, you're searching for Bing Image Editor. In the search results, you're looking for this website here, Image Creator from Microsoft Designer. Click on it, accept the terms and conditions. And now once you're on this page here, where it says describe what you like to create, go ahead and paste the following script. So the script is create a 3D illustration of an animated character sitting casually on top of social media logo, app name, so for example, TikTok or Instagram. The character must wear some clothes, shoes, and hair. So the background of the image is a social media profile page with your username and then your name here. So now once you've written down the script and replaced some of the words here, go ahead and tap on Join and Create. Now this will ask you to log into your Microsoft account. So go ahead and log into your Microsoft account. And now once you've signed in, it'll then start to create you the AI profile photo for yourself. So just give it some time. And now once it's created, it'll then create you these images where you can basically tap on it and have a look. So if you like any of these, go ahead and long press on it and then tap on Save to Photos. So there you go. That is how to create the 3D AI profile photo for your social media accounts. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.